guys, today I'm Joyce. Yeah. What I want to talk about is jealousy. Do you know that jealousy can make you do a lot of things? Jealousy can make you do a lot of things. And what is jealousy? Jealousy is when you feel bitter for somebody else for no reason, because you hate people for no reason. You are jealous of them. You are envy of their progress. You are jealous of who they are. Their sight irritates you. But what is actually the cause of this jealousy? Sometimes jealousy can be caused by greed. You know, when they see something that you have, they are so greedy. When they see you that you are beautiful, they are so greedy. They are envy. They get envy about you. And maybe what they have is even better than yours. Maybe what they have is better than yours, but they are not contented with what they have. They want more. Stop competing with people. If you want to be like someone, all you do is to appreciate God for them, not competing with them. When you start running the race of competing with others, you get to fall. Because first of all, you don't know how come about their success. You don't know about it. So why then will you compete with them? Are you the same parents with them? Was you born in the same placenta with them? No. You just running the race to compete. Even people that are born as from the same womb, they have different destiny. Stop competing with someone. Because from competition comes jealousy. You are either competing about children, you are either competing about husband or wife, you are either competing about clothes, you are either competing about the environment where the person is living. You are competing about a lot of things. And you tend to get jealous about it. You tend to be jealous of the person for no reason. Stop it. Be yourself. All hands are not equal. We have 5 hands, but they are shorter than each other. All these hands, they are not equal. Cut your coat according to your size. If you can afford a sofa, buy it. If you can afford a cloth, buy it. But stop competing with people. Stop it. Because you don't know how come about their wealth. Stop it. The less you compete with people, the better. The better for you, because you don't know how come about. You don't know how come about what they are putting online and stuff. So stop it. You can't get everything. You cannot get everything. Okay? You work hard to get things. You work hard to get things. Don't be jealous of people. When you want something, go for it, but not being jealous for others. You can actually do things. You can do well by yourself without even getting jealous of anybody. You just need to focus and make plans. The people that you are jealous of, do you know how many years it takes them to be where they are that you are jealous of them? You don't know. They start their life gradually and they are building up. And you are jealous of them. You may be jealous of the clothes they wear. You may be jealous of how they are shining. You may be jealous of the kind of family they have. You may be jealous of the kind of house they have. You may be jealous of everything. Stop it. And the funniest thing, when you are jealous of somebody, it makes you not appreciating what you have. Because you'll be seeing whatever you have as nothing, because you are running after that person, and it will make you coming backward, because you are only running after somebody without making your own plans, without facing your goals. stop chasing another person's shadow. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be real. Be real. You can do things. You can do a lot of things. A lot of things, really. That is true. Don't be jealous of anyone. Even if you think somebody is better than you, can be there where they are. You can be it. You just need to plan. You need to plan. And when you are planning, focus on your plans. Work it out. Work your plans out. Make goals. Every year, make a goals. Make goals. What did I want this year? What did I want? You can write it down. Your plans, write it down. This is what I want this year. And not just want something and just relax. Work it out there. Work it out. You can be everywhere. The world is yours. If only you can. If only you can plan. Stop getting jealous of people, because we have so much things going on this life now because of jealousy. We have people killing each other because of jealousy. Stop it. Stop it so that you can see better things that are close to you. Stop it so that you can see more better things. And because of jealousy, God hinders it. Because of jealousy, your jealousy hinders a lot of things that God can give you. It hinders your lucks. It hinders a lot of things. So take away jealousy. Just work out for things. When you want something, go for it. Go for it. Work it out. Even if you try today, you fail it, you try another time. When it is the time, you get things right when it's time. My topic I'm talking about is jealousy, okay? Jealousy and competing with others. Stop it. You admire people. You don't jealous and compete with them. You admire people. You admire people. You admire how far they have gone. That is what you admire. And when you are admiring them, praying for them, and God will be doing yours. That is how it is. Because there are people that when they come across, they see children that, what a beautiful children you have, they will be jealous. You have a beautiful home with a husband. What a beautiful husband he have, he will be jealous. You are in a location where it's nice, maybe in Europe, Canada, or UK, they'll be jealous. Stop it. You can be there wherever anybody is. You only need to make plans. You can also be in Europe if you want. You just need to make plans. Make goals of where you want to be. It's part of the goals I'm talking about. You make plans for it. You save for it. Okay? So stop rubbing shoulder with people that look at this one. If that one is with bone straight hair, you want to go and buy. Do you have that money? Yeah. If somebody is with Gucci bag you want to buy, do you have that money? Believe me, there are some people who have this money, they don't even come with Gucci bags. There are people who have this money that they don't even throw it around. They invest it. So stop competing with people. And it's not all that smoothie the way you see it on social media. It's not all that smoothie. A lot of things you see on social media, they are films. They are shooting movies. You need to know this. It's called social media. Don't destroy your home because of you jealousy about another person, or you looking at what that person have. And you come, hey, my husband didn't buy this. Or you come, my children, they are not like this. No, stop it. Build walls around you. Build walls around you. Learn not to have everybody come into you. Build walls. And stop the jealousy. Make your plans. Make your goals in every year. And you see how far you can go. And while you're making the plans, don't just relax and say, I make plans. This is how I make plans for this year, and you start to make like this. You work towards it. You work towards every goal. People didn't achieve things by city. They work towards every single dime they have. They work towards it. Whatever you want, you work towards it. If you are doing something you think is not working, put more effort. That is how it goes. So don't think somebody is somewhere you cannot be there where they are. All you need to do is just focus and make plans of where you want to be, and make plans of who you want to be, and make plans of the midst of people you want to be with. So just make plans. Okay? So this is what I want to talk about. Because there are people that are just jealous about people for no reason. Instead of people you are jealous about, are they better than you? You should think about it. For the fact they post things on social media, that doesn't make them better. Okay? You don't know them, you don't know their houses. Even if he knows their houses, you don't know what is inside them. You don't know. So don't be jealous of anybody. If somebody if somebody gets somewhere today, you can get to the place. Even if it take you 10 years, you just need to make plans towards it, and you will get to that place. So why being jealous of anybody? What is human being? You don't need to be jealous of anybody. You just need to make plans. And there are some people that what they have, it doesn't please them. And that is what causes jealousy. Greed, like I said. Greed, selfishness, envy. You have something. You are not appreciating when you see somebody says own. You get to longer throat for it. Stop it. The reason why we have a lot of killing today is because people are jealous of people. The reason why we have a lot of killing today is because of envy. Because of envy, jealousy, and hatred. That's why we have all these problems all over the world today. So stop it. And when you have love, you cannot be jealous for somebody. That is why when you don't have bitterness, try not to be bitter. If you have love, you cannot be jealous of anybody. Don't be bitter inside your heart. You are bitter for no reason. You are bitter of people, maybe people that have helped you in their life. You are bitter of them. You are bitter of people that have sheltered you when you was in the rain. You are bitter. Instead of praying for those people, you are bitter of them, and you think you can go anywhere. So stop it. So jealousy make you hinder a lot of things, a lot of blessings. When you are jealous of somebody, it hinders a lot of blessings. That is true. It hinders a lot of blessings. So this is what I want to talk about. In conclusion, stop being jealous of people. You can make it. Just work hard. Thank you, guys. I'm done.
That was actually good of talking about jealousy.